So today I'm going to be showing you guys a look on products, full face look with products I have not used. And if I have used a couple, then I'll let you guys know if I used them or not. Okay guys, so if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Paint Me Pretty Cynthia A, and if you're my loyal subscribers, hi guys, welcome back. And if you want to watch this video, then please, I do. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to put on that I have not used, and I got it on my BoxyCharm, is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. So it looks like that, guys. It feels like really silicone-y. So what I'm going to put next is my Kevyn Aucoin The Neon Elixir. Is a weightless beauty oil. I got this, Octoly sent it to me, guys. So it looks like this, guys, and it is an oil. It doesn't have, I don't smell a fragrance. No. Okay guys, so next I'm going to be using this Pure palette. I got it maybe like 2 months ago, my BoxyCharm. And I am doing a giveaway at the moment. Maybe by the time that I upload this video, I already announced the winner, but just letting you guys know, maybe I'll upload the video first and then announce the winner. I'm not sure. First I'm going to carve out my eyebrows, guys. I didn't do that, and I'm just using the Anastasia concealer. I like this one to carve out my eyebrows. Okay guys, so for all over the lid, I usually use a translucent powder, but today I'm going to use the Pure. This is a highlighting kit. Yeah, highlighting and contour. So I'm going to be using this one right here, all over my lid, guys. I just want to change it up a bit. Plus, I want to see if this palette works nicely. And so you guys can see that you can put a highlighter all over your lid as well. It doesn't have to just be a really light eyeshadow. It can be in highlighter. Alright guys, here we go. So I'm going to start with this color right here. And I'm still going to use the highlighting brush that I use, and this one's Sigma Taper and Blending E35. So, and the color I'm using is called Squad. And I'm just going to do like so, circular motion and windshield wiper. You guys, I've always had good luck with pure eyeshadows, so I'm hoping this one is as good as my other ones that I have. I think I have 2 more palettes by Pure. You guys, I'm actually going to switch up to this one because this one's a little bit more matte than this one. And usually mattes work really well on my skin, so when I'm blending, yeah, see, yeah. So I'm using Belle. Is it called Belle or Ballet? Ballet. And I'm bringing it all the way in and all the way out. I have a tape there, so you know it's gonna look clean when I remove the tape. You don't always have to have a tape there. You can always, you know, clean it with a wipey or face cream. I usually wipe it with my face wipes, but it's up to you. Some people like wiping it with a face cream, and that's fine too. Okay guys, so I'm gonna move on to this color right here called ATL. Right here. So it does have a little bit of like metallic look to it, so I'm hoping that it grabs to my skin, because I find some metallic colors just do not grab onto my skin. Now I'm just going to put it on my crease. Oh, look up a little bit so I can see, and then do some windshield wipers. You guys know the deal when it comes to this. Alright guys, so I'm not dipping this brush into the Ballet. I'm just using Ballet. I think it's called Ballet. Just use whatever eyeshadow you have left and just go over, so over on where you put the eyeshadow at, the transition. So you can kind of blend the two together. Alright guys, so I want to deepen it up a bit, so I'm going to use this color right here. What is the color? It's called BFF. And I got a pencil brush by MAC. I think this is 210. I really can't see it because it's faded, because I've had it for a while. And I just tapped it on one side of my brush. And I want to look up, and I want to go just on that crease. I'm just going to intensify the second color, and then the color was ATL. Okay guys, so I'm going to go back to my concealer, and I don't know why I did that. That's a habit. I'm just going to put the concealer right in the middle, and then I'm going to look up, look down, and wherever that concealer stops, that's how far up I'm going to go with the concealer. I got an angle brush just to get on in the crease. And with another clean angle brush, guys, go back to the color Ballet and tap it on one side, and you're going to put that Ballet right on the crease. You're making that nice and sharp. I'm going to use the color Alliance, is this one right here. And I'm going to get a synthetic flat brush and apply it on top of the concealer. I didn't put any powder on the concealer today. I want to see if this color will pop because it has metallic in it. I want to see if that metallic is going to pop without putting translucent powder on top of this. So now I'm just tapping the color Alliance onto the concealer and hope for the best. Okay, so I went back to my Cosette and I'm tapping the Cosette a little bit in the ATL and a little bit in a BFF, one side, and then I'm going to put it a little bit on the outer corner of the eye and kind of bring it in a bit, and in the inner corner of the eye and bring it in a bit. Okay, so I did put my primer on, guys, and the oil in the beginning, but I'm going to put a little bit of this before I even put my foundation on. It is one of the most powerful hydrating and moisturizing ingredients on the market today. So, its weight holds up to 1,000 times weight in water. It helps relax tension into the face, thereby eliminating wrinkles. Let's put it in the neck, okay? Even though it doesn't smell good at all, I will put this on every freaking day, okay? Yes. Okay, so now I'm gonna put foundation on, and I am going to use a new foundation. It is not new for you guys or the world, but it's new for me, and I'm super excited. I'm going to be using It Cosmetic Bye Bye Foundation. My throat's been skipping, like whenever I talk, it's the weirdest thing ever. So anywho's, this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to open it up right now. I know everyone has tried this before besides me. So super excited. Let's see if it's all of that like a lot of people say it is. So far, oh my god, like it's so lightweight, but it is full coverage. Wow. Okay guys, so the other day I found my concealer. It is Melly's concealer. I got this last year. I know it's still good because I tried it on the other day, and the first time that I tried it, I thought it was too light. But now trying it, like maybe because it was winter time, I still don't have a tan, and when I tried it, it was summertime if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was on vacation. So I tried it the other day and I fell in love with the concealer. So I'm gonna try it on again and show you guys. It was just so nice. Like this was too light for me in the summertime when I tried it out. Like I said, I was away, so I was already tan. It was like just too light. As you can see, it's pretty light. But now it's like the perfect color. Now summer's coming right back up, so I'm probably not going to be able to use it. And then I don't think by next year I shouldn't be using this, right? Alright guys, so I do not have a contour stick right now that is brand new. So what I'm going to use is the True Blend by CoverGirl, the brand new one. I'm not 100% sure if they're out in CVS yet, but I know that this month they should be launching them out. So I'm going to try the T50 wherever I usually contour, and then I'm going to put it on. Alright, I put some on my arm first, or my hand. And let's see guys. I'm probably going to have to work. Oh, is this dark enough? Should I get a darker one? That's fine. If I need it darker, I'll just get more. But I'm going to work by spots because it is a foundation, so I'm sure that it'll dry faster than a regular contour stick, you know? So I'm going to start with my forehead and blend this in with my Sonic blend that I absolutely love. I made a mistake. I said to you guys the first time I jumped the gun and said I wasn't really sure if I liked it or not. It was gimmicky or whatever else. It's not. It's really good actually. I'm gonna show it again, guys, so you guys can see that I am using it. Woohoo! Okay guys, so at the moment I don't have a new translucent powder, but this is pretty new and I freaking love it so much, guys. So much. I know that not a lot of people get this. I am gonna do a giveaway. I already bought actually bought two more, one for me, one for somebody else, but it's gonna be for my next giveaway. All right, so let's tap this in there, and I need a mirror. There we go. Okay guys, so I did not a wing, but I put a little bit of the Pretty Vulgar on this eye, really close to my eye. I did not want to pull it out with a wing, so I'm going to show you guys on this side what I did. I just was testing out what I was hoping that it came out nice, the way that I was thinking in my head, and it did. So I want to show you guys what I did. I used the Pretty Vulgar, and I'm using MAC 210, and I'm tapping it very gently on the product, and then I'm going very close to my eye, like where my lashes are at. Okay guys, I'm going to use this e.l.f. 3-in-1 mascara. I have talked about this before. I really like it. They have this, I don't know if this is the new one or the older one. I'll let you guys know right now, because I like the older one better than the new one. I couldn't even tell you. No, I think that it was the other one that I like more than this one. And that was the older one. Alright guys, so these lashes I got, Actually sent them to me, and they are Mink Effect Lashes, Cosmetic London Allure. I believe Ulta sells these, some Walmart sells these, they sell these. I'm not sure if CVS does or not. I never seen them in CVS, I could be wrong. When you guys put falsies on, before you even put the glue on, you want to measure and make sure that your falsies fit your eye. If they're too long, then you can cut the end, you want to cut the outer corner versus the inner corner. Moving on to underneath my waterline, guys, I'm going to get my MAC 210. I cleaned it out with the color switch, and then I'm going to tap my brush into BFF, and then I'm going to just ever so slightly brush BFF right underneath my waterline. Tap again. And then go into my inner corner and brush it in. By the way, I'm leaving that middle a little bit open because I'm going to put a little bit of the Alliance in the middle. Okay guys, so I'm going to put a little bit of concealer right underneath, and then I'm going to put the color Alliance right in the middle. So I need a small brush. Okay guys, so I'm going to set my face with Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. I think I've used this a couple times, but I don't think I've used it online. I don't remember where I got it, if I just bought it or I got it for free. Not really sure. Yeah, it doesn't give me as much luminous as my Ready Set Radiant or my MAC Fix Plus. I don't dislike it, I just don't love it. Okay guys, so I'm debating if I should put this highlighter on or should I try the Milani highlighter. I'm gonna try the Milani. I always have luck with Milani, so yeah, let me try it on. And I'm going to mix these two together. This one's a little lighter, obviously, and this one's a little peachier, so I'm gonna mix these two together and see what happens. And the brush I'm using is the Morphe M510. I really like this brush to put highlighter on, so let's see what happens. Where's my mirror? Milani is so fucking bomb, I swear. This is bomb. I haven't tried it. This is brand new. I just bought it yesterday at Walmart. Okay, now I'm gonna dip it in this like peachy color. Oh my god, so pretty. Oh my god, this is so pretty, guys. Do you see that? Look at my nose, it just glows. Oh, so pretty. And last but not least, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Queen Major shades. I have used them, but I don't think I've used this color. I'm not really 100% sure if I used this color or not. I do tend to gravitate towards lighter color. This one's called Cakewalk. I don't know if I used it or not, but yes, let's try I forgot to tell you guys that I put liner in my waterline and my tight line, and then I just put mascara on my bottom lashes. I only use the Wet n Wild Max Volume Mascara for my bottom lashes, guys. And I really like this mascara a lot. CoverGirl has a nice one as well. I just was lazy and just kind of reached over and grabbed this one. But I'm not really too picky with my bottom lashes. I do set my face first before I do my bottom lashes, and I don't use a mascara that has a ball because otherwise I'll get my skin. But yeah, I don't think that the Neo Accelerator, I can't say the word, is too oily, but I do suggest you, if you have oily skin, maybe going and trying it out at a store and see if it's going to work for you or not. It's really, really good for me because, like I said, I have dry combination skin, but my skin just tends to suck in all the oil anyway. So, but we'll see if I break out or not, because sometimes I do break out, so it all depends. I'm definitely going to continue using this. Okay, and I'll keep you guys posted on what I think. So far is really good, but I haven't seen any kind of trends. I just like what it says. I like that it says that it has lavender in it, even though it doesn't smell like lavender. It stinks, but that's okay because then it has the line. Oh my god, I can't say it now. It is an anti-aging infusion spray, okay guys? And anything, like I said, anything that's anti-aging, Cynthia needs, okay? Because I am going to be 41 June 28th. Don't forget that, guys. I want you guys to all say happy birthday to me, and you guys know that you're more than welcome to email me whenever. You guys know my email. If not, I'll put it in the bottom, and just say happy birthday because I kind of like it, you know, even though I'm getting older. And then let me see anything else that, oh my god, this Milani freaking highlighter is the bomb. So if you can get it, get it. I got mine at Walmart, but you can get it anywhere. The foundation is freaking awesome. Both of them, the foundation, the CoverGirl foundation, the new one that should be coming out this month, I don't know when, is awesome. And it's awesome to contour. Do you see that? Do you see that? It looks so good. And the foundation itself is just amazing. You know what, like, I didn't even know that I was gonna like foundation so much. Like, I can't leave my house without foundation now. That is crazy. Like, crazy. I mean, unless it's like an ugly one. I mean, no, okay, I'm lying. I can leave my house without foundation, but I prefer not to. And I'm not saying that I don't like my imperfections, because I do like my imperfections, but I'm really used to now getting used to putting foundation on and all that stuff. Like, yeah. Let me see what else. The setting spray is okay. I don't hate it. I don't like, love it. Okay. The primer seems really good. It does feel like silicone-y, so if you don't like that silicone feeling, then you may not like this. It does have like a tan look to it, but once you put it on, it's, you know, the tan disappears. So if you're fair skin, that doesn't matter. It's just the primer. The palette, guys, the palette is really good, but there is a lot of fallout. And the metallic ones, the metallic colors, is hard to blend, so use these more if you're going to just place them on, you know, a certain spot versus wanting to blend, because they don't blend that great. And then the matte ones, they blend great, but there is a lot of fallout. And that's not it, guys. Let me drink my tea. Not wine, tea. I wish it was wine. Bye, guys.